What's up guys, Brandon here with Greenlight Auto Broker, and today we're talking about free maintenance, which brands offer the free maintenance and what it consists of. Okay, let's start with GMC and Chevy. They're both owned by General Motors, so they're very similar when it comes to service. You're gonna get one in the first 12 months. Chevy also has a program called My Chevrolet Rewards, where they'll give you up to one more. You get 20,000 free points when you buy your new car. Next on the list is Hyundai. They give you 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. Okay, the next one is Jeep. This one's interesting. They have what's called a Jeep Wave program. So you get 2 years for free, which is gonna be 4 services. Jeep Wave program membership actually comes for free when you buy a new car, 24 months, so it just matches up, it makes sense. You're also gonna get trip interruption coverage. You're gonna get 24 hours, 24/7 concierge service. You're also gonna get, same day rental coverage and access to Jeep brand events and contests. Next on the list is Ram, formerly known as Dodge Ram. Now they're just Ram. You get 2 years of free maintenance as well as 24/7 concierge service with them. All right, and now Subaru. Subaru is gonna give you 2 years or 24,000 miles of free service, whichever comes first. Now, Kia. Kia gives you 3 years or 36,000 miles of free service, whichever one comes first. Very strong program. My favorite, I'm a little biased because I do drive a Toyota. Toyota gives you 2 years or 25,000 miles of free maintenance, whichever comes first. They also give you roadside assistance for those 2 years, unlimited miles. And to our surprise, Honda and Nissan, no free service. No free service. So I'm gonna go ahead and put an X through both of these. Good cars, but you're paying for the service. Okay guys, and that concludes our video for today. We hope you found this information useful. If you're going to buy a new car, I know I would. If you know somebody that would find this information useful, please like, share, comment, subscribe. We really appreciate it. It really helps us out more than you think. And that's it. See you next time.